I didn't put all the ornaments that came with it on mine because I'm going to put some of my children's special little ornaments on that. It is fine for the price. Are you looking for a small Christmas tree that will fit on top of a table to put some special little ornaments on, or just for office decoration? I found this one and I'm quite pleased with it. Let me show you and tell you more about it. I have a big Christmas tree, but I wanted something smaller to put some special ornaments that I had made for my children when they were little. The light switch allows you to make the lights flash, or you can slide it on over and just keep the lights on. Flashing, off, flashing, on. I ordered this from Amazon. Oh, it has some little ornaments and lights. More little ornaments. This is the tree. It is not very big. And some installation instructions. Pretty simple. Let's see if we have all of our pieces. We're supposed to have one Christmas tree, which I have, 12 golden balls, which I have, 12 golden bells, which I have, 30 pieces of small red fruits. Those are all there. They're like this. I guess you just stick them on the tree and wrap it around. 4 pieces of pine cone. I have those. And they have this attached. 4 red packets. I only have 3 of those. 2 pieces of green gift bags. Same thing as the red, but they're calling them gift bags. I have 2 of those. Treetop star. Do have that. And 5 meters, I guess that's what that is. 5M colored lights, 1 piece. I do have that, but it doesn't have the batteries, so I'll have to put batteries in. So. And they do work. They're multicolored, not all white. This doesn't really want to close very well. Here we go. It has this one long one. I guess that's for the star. I was told by a professional that the trick for doing artificial trees was to make sure that you fluff up the individual branches. Some of them get stuck together, So you have to really get in there and make sure you're spreading them apart. Alright, since I'm going to primarily use this to put some other ornaments on the outside, I'm just going to use the lights to put on the inside and their ornaments to put kind of close to the inside. Hang mine as the primary exterior ornaments. The lights are really long. I just went ahead and untangled all of them. I'm going to find the midpoint and put that on the tree first, and then wrap the top part on the top part of the tree and the bottom part around the bottom. And that's what it looks like with the lights. They don't really give you any hangers to use for these, so I guess you just have to scoot them over the branches. Unless you have your own hangers. Same thing on the bell. You'll have to get your own hangers for those. Or you could use these if you wanted to and hang them like that. That kind of works. I think that's all I'm going to put on it. I'm going to leave the rest of the space for my children's ornaments. I suppose this extra length is to wrap around the star. We'll see if that's the case. I thought perhaps it had a hole in the bottom of it that it would poke through, which I may end up doing, but I guess that works. I didn't put all the ornaments that came with it on mine because I'm going to put some of my children's special little ornaments on that. It is fine for the price. Here's my finished result. I did put some of the gift ornaments on there to fill in some of the bare spots. But I'm happy with the price. Thanks for watching my video about the little mini Christmas tree. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. If you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link on this exact product that I bought, and I would appreciate you using that link. And until next time, I hope you have happy holidays no matter what you celebrate. Stay safe. Bye. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Thank you.